Oh, shit. Here we go. Our daily sneeze attack. Never lay on the floor, then rub your nose with your hand. Redwood. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Okay, this fence here moves in and out. Usually for plywood, you want to set it 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch. Oh, I've sneezed so much it makes me hot. I started to sweat. So here's the deal. This fence is locked in at 1 inch, I think, because I had to change it the last time I used it. When you set it for 3/4 of an inch, that's for plywood that's 3/4 of an inch thick. So it won't go through, the screw won't go all the way through, and it'll set it just right. For 1.25 screws, you'd think with as much sawdust as I suck in, this wouldn't affect me that much. As I'm on the floor picking up something and put it in my pocket and went like this. That was a bad idea. Take this guy, put it in here, put this in here, like so. Voila. It's amazing how much snot your body can make. Seen anybody like put a video out and have them sneeze on camera for 45 minutes and just record the whole thing and laugh about it?